Hello there. Today we're going to be talking about how to import data from a spreadsheet into a MyMap. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open a map, get it a name, and there's nothing else on this map. Right away you can see there's an import link. And I'm going to take you to the spreadsheet. Before I click that, I have a Google Sheet, and on that sheet I have random names, and then the second column I have a location, a city, and a state. So in the import that you're going to be doing, you want to have probably a couple of different columns, and one of those columns being a location, the other column maybe being a description of what is at that location. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to click import, and it's going to ask me what I want to actually get and upload. So I'm going to click here in my drive and I'm going to search for name and location. And here is that spreadsheet that I just showed you. So I'm going to double click on that. It's going to grab the data from that spreadsheet and it's going to show me my two columns. So it says choose columns to position your place marks. So this is the column that talks about the location on the map. So I'm going to click on my location column for that. And I'm going to click continue. And now it says, what kind of title would you like on your marker? So here's that place where you have a description. So I'm going to put the person's name there. And I'm going to click finish. And it's going to import all of those names and locations and put them into my map here. And here we go. So if I zoom in here, those are all the spots that I had on that spreadsheet. And if I click one of the place marks, it gives me the description is the person's name up here and the location. Now, if you wanted to have the description show up or other things show up for these place marks, you can go right here where it says uniform style. And here's what the labels are. So right now it has no labels, and I can choose either column from my spreadsheet. Do I want the name of the person or the location where that drop is? So I'm going to click name, and you can see that the person's names are showing up next to their